Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you how to install DLC on any 3DS game. So for this video I'm going to get some DLC for Super Smash Bros. But with this video you can basically get DLC for any game. It's up to you. So right now I'm just going to launch Smash Bros and show you what the game looks like before I have DLC and then once I've installed it. Right, so as you can see, here are all the characters. Once DLC is installed, more characters in theory should be added. So right now I'm just going to disconnect my SD card from my 3DS, plug it into my PC and show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so on my PC now, so here's the DLC that I want for Super Smash Bros. I can't show you guys where to get it from, but you know, it's kind of common sense, you just type in 3DS DLC. Anyway, so in this zip file I've got two folders here. Pick whichever one is suited to your console, so I've got Europe 3DS. I just want to take this CIA file. So once your 3DS SD card's in your PC, you just want to dump this file into the CIA file. Shouldn't take too long, DLC files are very small in size, just check it's there. And now you can head back over to your 3DS and open FBI. Right guys, so on your 3DS you need to have FBI to install this, which means you have to have custom firmware. It's kind of obvious really, but you're going to want to open FBI. Okay, so press A on SD, then scroll down to CIAs. Wait for everything to load if it takes just a few seconds. And here you go, Super Smash Bros. DLC Europe, so I'm just going to press A on that. You can do install and delete CIA, which means it just deletes off the SD card to save storage. Press A on that. Then just press A to install. Right guys, so that took probably about 3 minutes. I'm back, it says install finished, so you can just click OK. Now you want to exit out of FBI, so just press B to go back a few times and then press start to exit the program. So now you want to go over to your game that you got DLC for. I got it for Smash Bros. I'm just going to open that. The game might take longer to load than normal once you've finished installing it. So just press any button. Right guys, so the DLC should be installed now. I'm not actually sure what this DLC does, but maybe there's a few extra maps I didn't actually check. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm sure someone will put a link to DLC down in the comment section, you never know. So if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.